Understanding the Beauty of Scarlet Sunset, a Journey into English Idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the picturesque phrase, Scarlet Sunset. This phrase is not just a literal description of a time of day. It's a vivid illustration that enriches language use. Let's dive in and discover the beauty and meaning behind this expression. Scarlet sunset refers to the sky's appearance as the sun sets, characterized by a deep, vivid red or scarlet hue. This phrase is often used to describe a particularly striking or beautiful sunset. But there's more to it than just its literal meaning. In literature and everyday speech, scarlet sunset can symbolize the end of a period, a sense of closure, or a passionate, intense experience. Colors play a significant role in English idioms and expressions. For instance, feeling blue means feeling sad, while green with envy signifies jealousy. Similarly, scarlet in Scarlet Sunset is not just a color, it represents intensity, passion, and sometimes even urgency. Understanding the use of color in English expressions can greatly enrich your comprehension and expression. Using Scarlet Sunset in conversation can add a poetic touch. For example, you could say, "The project's completion was like a scarlet sunset, marking a beautiful end to our hard work." This phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe emotions or significant life events. In literature and art, scarlet sunset is often used to evoke strong emotions or signify important transitions. It can be a metaphor for romance, the beauty of nature, or the passing of time. Understanding these connotations can enhance your appreciation of English literature and art. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the phrase, Scarlet Sunset, with us. Remember, learning English is not just about words and grammar, it's about understanding the beauty and depth of expressions. Until next time, keep enjoying the colorful journey of language learning.